But I don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Ooh, the real ones they know, and the ones that do not, I don't need. Cause most see the vision and I give reasons to believe that I'm honest, I'm telling no.
What's up, Jazz Nation? This is your girl, Jasmine Renee, and this video is highly requested. This is my room tour. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for this room tour. Over here you have my speaker, my tripod, then I have some tools to do some of my clients' hair or my hair if I need them, some clips, some brushes, some comb. Then right here you have all my blow dryers, my hot comb, my comb attachments, my flat irons, my curlers. Here is all the products that I use on my hair. You have everything that you can think of. Window. Then you have this big old light that's really nice. You can adjust it. Let me show you guys. Let me see. You see how you can adjust it like that? Set the vibes in the room. Okay guys, to the right of all of this right here, capes for when I have a client to come over. I have some rollers, perm rods, rollers, blueprint. I have clippers, more rollers here, more clips on this side. Okay guys, so this is what my bed looked like. Then on top you have wake up and makeup, perfume picture here. Then you have makeup is art right here. Then down below, just where I keep my wallet and my headphones, is my bed right here, my pillows. Then to the right you have a MacBook, a speaker, and a little smell good. Then you have hope you guys enjoy this video of my room, and comment down below what's your favorite part of my room. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.
Got a lot of things on your plate. You got a lot of things that I just cannot say is quite on my way. You bitches riding on all my waves, but you bitches tired and underpaid. I show